Hey, I am going to teach you today a little bit about how to use the pendulum. The pendulum is a divination tool. You use it for dowsing, getting information. It's been around for thousands of years, and I just want to teach you really quick how to use one to get some intuitive guidance for yourself. This is a simple white pendulum, and it's hanging from a chain. This is not a healing pendulum. I showed off my Isis healing pendulum in another video. But basically you use a chart like this. It's available in my simple guide on using pendulums. And it's got yes, no, rephrase, maybe. And you hold the pendulum over your chart after you have cleaned it and cleared it and make sure it is energetically aligned. You don't want to just start doing this. Make sure you pray, protect your space, protect yourself, and all of that stuff. Always seek the highest guidance and counsel. Just be really smart and careful. I don't believe in just playing around with the divine and with getting information from the other side. Be smart and careful. So I am going to hold it over here, and I'm going to just ask it to show me its yes. All right, you see that going? And the wind is blowing out here, but you see how it's showing me it's yes. Thank you. Please stop. Can you please show me your no? Okay, you guys see that? It is going over the no. Thank you very much. Please stop. Can you show me maybe? Okay, now you see how it's kind of going at an angle? That's the maybe. Thank you. Please stop. So you can imagine if you were looking for guidance and you're wanting to get a yes, no, maybe question, you want to know, is something supposed to happen, going to happen? You can do yes or no. There is another level to it, which is kind of degrees and how much certainty there is around it, because there's always free will. And you could get a reading saying yes, something will happen, and then instead of going right one day, you say, you know what, I'm going to go left. And then everything just changes, right? Because you have free will. Beautiful, powerful thing is free will, but it also means that the future is not set in stone. Some people believe it is. I do not believe it's set in stone. At any moment, you can choose a different thing. Hope that was a helpful video. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this is the Pendulum, and I'm Burnett.